Okay, today is a really hot summer day, so I thought it'd be perfect timing to go over the air conditioning features really quickly. So first of all, this number up here, if your battery is really hot, like on a day like today, I just drove about 20 miles, then this can be exaggerated. So outside, I think it's about 92 or 93 degrees, but this says 99, probably because the battery is radiating a bunch of heat off of it. So down here are your air conditioning controls. So you can change your temperature without even opening the climate control window, and you just tap up or you tap down, and you can sync the temperatures for the driver and the passenger just by clicking sync temperature. And you can unsync the temperatures, and I can show you that if the passenger hits sync temperature, then their temperature is the one that takes over. Okay, I do not want high. And if you go below 60, then it just reads low, and it understands that you just want it to be the coldest temperature possible. Okay, if you want to go beyond temperature changes, then you click on this fan in the middle, and you can turn on AC or turn it off. This is for recirculation, so if it's blue, then you're recirculating inside the cabin. This one is to turn on the air conditioning vent to the back seats. That's really important to turn on if you have passengers back there, or to turn off if you don't, so that you get more of the airflow up front. If it's really hot, I recommend only having this middle fan button activated. This one will actually divert some of the air to the outer corners of this upper fan, and it'll send a little stream of air upward, but I don't find it very useful for cooling. And then there's one to send it down to your feet, which can be refreshing, but if you're really overheated, then the quickest thing I recommend is recirculation. Only have this middle fan height activated and turn it all the way up, which is actually pretty loud. I spend almost all my time just on the climate menu. You can drag these around if you want to move the airflow a little bit. I tend to keep it right around there, going past my face. And there you go. There's a really quick overview of air conditioning with a summer focus.